Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to get cursor below text box in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture from our file. Now we resize this picture some small, then go to the format menu and click wrap text option, then choose in front of text. Now we move this picture middle. Now we go to the insert menu and click text box option. Now we draw a text box below the picture and we get cursor below this picture. Go to the home menu and click select option, then go to the selection pane and we click the picture layout and move this picture. Use keyboard up arrow, down arrow, or left or right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.